Welcome to Bittele Electronics, your premier partner for turnkey printed circuit board assembly. Founded in 2003, we offer our clients a Toronto-based, comprehensive manufacturing experience, all under one roof, from pre-production to final delivery. Enjoy the ease of uploading your design to our online order system, where you can receive a quote, make payments, and send your project to the production floor within minutes. Our process begins with a complimentary thorough evaluation of your design to ensure your project is error-free and optimized for production. Our communicative sales and engineering team ensure you receive human support throughout the entire process, regardless of your order size. Whether you require a small batch of prototypes or a large-scale production run, our team carefully procures markup-free parts and components from the most reputable distributors. We offer free passive components, where users can review stock online at any time. Our production facilities in Canada and Asia feature identical machinery, quickly transitioning prototypes, and high-volume production without the need for reprogramming. We utilize the latest in automated assembly and inspection technology and have industry-leading capabilities to ensure a flawless fabrication. We implement strict quality control procedures at every stage to ensure the highest quality product. Procedures include control in parts procurement, incoming material inspection, parts loading check, AOI inspection, and X-ray inspection. Plus, our team will thoroughly perform and evaluate the soldering process of BGA, LGA, and POP-type components. Each and every component is meticulously mounted onto your circuit board, followed by a detailed inspection process. Whether it's high-resolution pictures or sample shipping for final review, we ensure your satisfaction every step of the way.
As a startup company, I don't have the resources and the time to, let's say, purchase all the components. So the fact that Bittele is gonna do the turnkey solution for me and purchase the component, I really like that.
The lead time and the delivery has always been excellent, and they achieve what they've committed to, which in this industry isn't always what you get. Often they've actually exceeded expectations when I've really needed things urgently, which has been really wonderful.
We take pride in our reputation for reliability, quality, and customer satisfaction. Bittele Electronics is your trusted partner for all PCB assembly and manufacturing needs.